Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back today with a new layout for the Hip Kit Club design team featuring the March 2022 kits. I decided to make a layout with a large photo. To start, I gloss a photo on a white cardstock, and as the photo is not big enough to reach the edges, I will add gesso all around so that it blends into the cardstock, which will be prettier at the end. Just use a large brush and apply gesso by making circular movements without exceedingly too much in the photo, and then add even more gesso by tapping with the brush. I love this effect, and with the black and white photo, it's incredible, I think. This week is Easter week, so I chose a picture of my bunnies to celebrate. I then cut out the exclusive March 2022 You Are Incredible cut file from a white cardstock, and I decided to recut the cut file to be able to position the incredible in the center of my page and the U on top in the center too. I then cut this cut file another time from a Fresh Bloom 6x8 paper pad pattern paper by Sample Stories from the Pocket Life kit that I also recut. And I glue the cut file on top of each other offset to bring dimension and to bring out the words with a white edge. After adding 3D foam underneath, I stick the U in the center of my photo at the bottom and the incredible below. I then insert between the two the word R that I made with the help of the letter of the cut file and the yellow, orange and red pattern papers from the Fresh Bloom 6x8 paper pad. I cut out several flowers from the Just Between Us pattern paper from Hip Kit Club exclusive Happy Days With You collection. I add the flowers around the cut file, and I also add sun chipboard stickers, full bloom sample stories from the main kit. And I add a few more small flowers here and there. I cut out a banner of the Fresh Bloom 6x8 paper pad that I distressed to decorate the top of my photo. And I make an accumulation of small things around this banner. I added a cloud and rainbow chipboard stickers. To complete the sentence of the banner, I added a foam stickers, Be Happy, a die cut yellow phrase, a red sticker of the stickers book, all from the Full Bloom collection by Simple Stories of the Men and Embellishment kit. And I add all around some bees, chipboard stickers, and a small bird. To complete the bottom of my page, I add under the cut files a from sticker sentence, then some more flowers and sticker sentences from the stickers book that I glue with 3D foam to bring value. And I add another little bee. I also add clouds from the Full Bloom collection to my photo with 3D foam. I would not add ink for once in this layout because I already find it well colored and because I want to keep a white background so that the cut file stands out well. And finally, I finished this layout with splashes of black paint diluted with a little water to bring harmonize everything and to bring contrast. And here is the result a little closer. I hope this layout has inspired you in some way today. I loved using this large photo to change the habit. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a great creative day. See you soon.